This is a 2008 Mazak Quick Turn Nexus 400 Mark II with 80 inches between centers. It has a Mazak Matrix Nexus control, a chip conveyor, obvious tailstock, a manual roller type steady rest, Kitagawa B212 big bore chuck, hydraulic chuck, and a tool eye, automatic tool eye. Try to reduce some of the glare there. Graphics are nice and clear. Keypad's in nice shape. Full length chip conveyor. Coolant tank that it sits within, along with 2 coolant pumps that accompany it. Hydraulics are running smoothly. We have the couple back covers off so you can see to the back side of the Z-axis here, the linear ways. They look real smooth. Ball screw looks fine. Bellows covers for the Z-axis are in good condition. You got one of the guards covers there, and there's another one leaning up here. There's your electrics. Multi-tap transformer. We have it set for low voltage right now, 208, 230. There's the back side of the cross slide for the X-axis. Back side of the Z-axis weight covers here. Electrical cabinet. All the fans are running. Everything looks in good condition. There's some documentation in here from the original check sheets and the door sleeve, and some information about the chuck and whatnot. Serial number is 199566. Manufactured in July of 2008. Machine weighs a little over 23,000 pounds. Cleaning up a little bit of the backside of the chuck here, where the coolant collector is. Alright, the machine's back at home, and it's going to move forward in the Z up in front of the steady rest before it jumps into the program. It's a 2-3 minute program or so.
And we are sitting on 4x4s.
And we are sitting on 4x4s. It's not leveled and attached to the floor, so we can't run it too quick. What's that spindle say it's running there, Tom?
It's not that bad. 402 RPM.
So it looks like low gear, running a little over 400 RPM. There's a small X-axis movement in the program. And it's coming in the Z as well. could be a small facing operation or boring operation.
Yeah.
All right.